What's your name? What's your name?
Mao Zedong.
How old?
23.
Okay. Welcome to the casting couch.
Oh, that's fucked up.
Yeah? This is vlog time.
Put your hands there.
Cue the music.
Hi, how you doing today? No flash photography. Bringing car to Empire Vinyl, kids. That's what happens. Hello? Oh, 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 oh. You burn my shake.
I put that in the last video.
What about I smell like beef?
I smell like beef.
I smell like beef.
Now you can plug it in. I smell
Right now.
like shake. He burnt my beef. Those ladies with the jugs of water on their head.
Don Graham. We got our done.
And the green tea Arizona. Coca-Cola. 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 Boy.
You do any work today, guy, or what?
Yeah, lots of work. Fucking idiot! Yeah, so we're gonna introduce Tom. Did we introduce Tom? No,
We
right?
did.
I had a very botched interview last time.
He wasn't working here though.
Yeah,
I said
well,
I was training to be. That's what you told me to say.
Well, this is Tom.
Hello, everybody.
He officially works here. Right, Tom?
Hell yeah, brother.
Do you officially work here?
I think so.
I don't even know myself. Does he? Do you know?
I think so. I mean, you made me quit my other job, so.
I just wanted to hang out with him more. Get the. Yo, good save, bro. Gucci TV, bro. Follow him.
Blood dip dessert. Pass.
that was good. That was good. I like that
Catch it. Ready? 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 Catch it. Catch it. Catch it. Catch it. Oh, we got a crazy one. Whoa. I appreciate the love, bro. It's okay. I'm not mad. Yo, technique. This is classified. You can't film this.
one. What?
There's techniques here.
Blur it out in the video.
There's techniques here that you guys can't know about. So
I'll blur it out then.
no, you're just gonna have to skip it.
I'll just keep it close on you like this the whole time.
All right.
There we go.
All right, go towards you. I'm getting nervous here. There you go. Come on, don't be a bitch about it. Oh my God! Oh! That's it, we're done. That's how you do it. So all you gotta do, if you want to lay like good bumpers, is you gotta scream while you're doing it. Major key. Make sure she's real wet before you squeegee. And once you get about a foot puddle, you know you're good.
Kapayaw.
What? See your hands up? I'm clean, I swear.
Whose man's is that? Somebody get their man's.
Rag back.
Oh!
Dude, there's so much.
Sure, fam.
Thanks.
Should we start drinking?
Welcome to Chile.
Close out the vlog. Close out the vlog.
Alright.
You have to say stuff. Can't just eat pizza and think it's gonna end.
No, I'm just gonna. Thanks for watching, everybody. Cheers.
Peace out. Keep eating pizza.
Hey everyone, how we doing today? This is Andrew over at Empire Vinyl. Tucci TV, gang, you heard? What's up? And today we're gonna be doing a video on the new JBL Reflect Contours.
Oh. See these things here? These things are fire.
Fire, bro. Speaking of fire, they're fucking red.
They're red.
They're red, just like fire. Just like fire.
Red?
Yeah, come on.
I didn't know.
So, we're gonna start unboxing them. Yuri's gonna do the honors.
Alright. So first, you take this tape and you peel it off. Like so.
Wow,
Look
that
at
was
that.
a good peel.
Ooh.
Oh
Look at
my
that.
god.
Smell them. Smell good.
Wow.
Like, you know, like brand new shit? Like, you know when you smell
Yes,
it's fire.
that's
I love that
exactly
smell.
what I was
I
thinking.
love that smell, bro. Alright,
Nice.
so what do you want to do next?
I think we gotta take it out. We can't get the red dirty, so we're
Yeah,
gonna. So inside,
You have to
there's-
wear gloves.
Have to wear gloves.
You
But
have
we're
to wear
professionals at it, so clean hands.
Clean hands.
No need. Take that and just like that and
Just like that.
And
pop it out.
be
Yeah.
very gentle with
Very
it.
gentle, please.
Because next thing you know, the
Oh, yo, look, it comes with like something else, bro. What
yeah.
the fuck is
So
this?
I think those are adjustable pieces for the
Yeah, these are for like big ears. You know, if you know you have big ears and shit. You know,
fucking
like,
Dumbo type.
and you're like,
If you got,
you
yeah.
know?
If you can fly because of your ears, then fly. So take them out.
Take 'em out.
They were wireless, dude.
Yeah, dude, what the fuck? Part out.
Wait.
That's it, right?
Where's the aux?
Oh wait, what the fuck? Are they like Bluetooth or some shit? I don't know.
So you're trying one. We're gonna try them on and see how it feels.
Try them on. Rock paper scissors first. Rock paper scissors. Let's shoot. Oh, what? The
Oh,
fuck? 3 times.
No, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. That's it.
Ah, just
Alright,
shoot.
ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Fucking
You have to put 'em on.
Alright. So I clean my ears, by the way. Alright. So you put them on like so, right? First
You go from behind. You gotta start from
You know,
behind.
you always gotta start from behind.
Always
you
from
know what I'm
behind.
saying? But you slap it in your ear like so, like you know, like.
Be gentle with it.
You know what I'm saying?
Gentle, caress it.
You know what I'm saying? Like you gotta finesse it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yo, these are fucking big, bro.
You want the small ones? We got smaller ones, dude.
bro,
We got smaller ones. That's what these are for.
Alright, now how do you change them though?
Alright, so you just
Oh. Spunk.
see, just like
You
that.
just take them out. You know, like pull it.
Take them out.
Take them out. Alright.
Next, do
extra
you want to
small
do just the buds, or you want to change up that too?
Cause like, look, it has to go in your ear.
Oh, okay. So you want to take this out too?
Yeah.
Alright, so we'll take the whole thing out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where?
I got you, bro.
Where?
So just take that out.
Pull it out. Pull out. Getting weak or strong?
Pretty weak considering I'm small.
Yeah. Right.
So
Okay. Don't do this at home.
yeah. We were certified in Texas for this.
Yep.
We went
Yo,
to a
remember that
school-
school? That's so. That's
Oh
so
my god, yeah.
That's horrible.
This on this side.
Oh yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah. It's horrible.
I messed up. That was.
Yo, Tucci TV, bro. AKA the photography and videography. And a pipeline, of course. Gang. How you put it in? Where's the other one? Oh my god, bro, you lost it?
No, there's 3 here. Which one's the small one?
This one.
Okay.
Here. It looks small, right? Yeah. You're retarded.
Has to tear it.
Don't do this at home. It's very dangerous.
You could blow up.
Yeah, you could blow up. It's like, what's that thing called? That thing you could like fucking glide with? Not
Slip and slide?
Yeah, whatever. You could die. It could be like an Android. It could blow up, you know, like the batteries and shit.
Or an M4 owned by Text Me.
Oh shit.
That guy's way gone. It's Slug,
Yeah,
Slug
yeah.
Mafia now or something?
Yeah, some shit like that, right? Part out. Okay. Alright.
Alright, we're all set to go.
We're good to go, right?
There you go.
Thank you, sir. Alright, so which one is your left? Alright, this one is for your left ear, this one is for your right ear.
Okay.
So you just slap it on. Alright, alright. Oh, damn. Say something?
Yuri.
What? These are fire.
Are they?
Yeah,
Can you hear me?
a little bit.
So it's noise canceling.
It's noise canceling, for sure.
How's the sound quality?
We kind of have to connect them.
Oh.
Just don't bump it so that like I'm fucking go crazy,
Okay.
you know what I mean?
Alright, so just.
How do you turn it on?
There you go. It's on.
Alright, wait. It's on already?
Well, the power's on.
Alright.
What kind of song? You want to go on? I know a guy on Spotify, DJ Yuri Steppy.
Oh damn.
Is he good?
Oh damn. Nah, he's ass, but play it.
Okay. Alright. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect because it's
Yo,
Bluetooth.
if you beatbox, it sounds. Oh, I can hear myself talk. That's pretty dope. My voice is probably annoying as fuck, but fuck it. But I could like hear myself beatboxing. Like, listen. That shit sounds dope. It's like a fast beat. Someone's calling you.
Yeah, I know.
Oh damn.
All right. So
What's up?
2 years later. There you go.
Motorsport? Say something?
Yuri, can you hear me?
Nah. I cannot hear you at all.
You really can't hear me?
I'm like looking at your lips right now.
I'm actually talking.
Yeah. What?
I'm actually talking.
Yeah, you gotta try this. Wait, what? What?
What?
You just get a voicemail?
No.
This is fire.
Is
You
it?
wanna try it on?
Yeah.
Here. My ears are clean, I promise.
You just freshly de-waxed.
De-waxed. De-waxed. No, that's not how you do it. You gotta like slap it in like behind your ear. Like that.
Oh,
I got you.
like that.
Yeah, like that, yeah. Let me know. Pussy squirt? Pussy squirt? Pussy squirt?
What?
Oh, yeah, you can't hear shit, bro. 9 plus 10?
I can't hear you.
21, right?
I really can't hear you.
I know, it's 21. It's 21. It's all good. So, what do you think
That's
about these
really
headphones?
good. I think they're really good.
They're
Honestly, at
What's the price for these, you know?
these were picked up on Amazon for $89.99, and we got an extended warranty for $7. So I think it's a pretty good deal for the sound
good deal.
quality.
That's a
you
good
know. So
How's
if
the
you want-
battery on them, do you know? They last like a long time?
comes with a charger.
Yeah, it comes with a charger and shit. Word. Reflect contour. Interesting.
8-hour battery life.
Oh shit, so you could die with these.
Pretty much.
Yo, fuck.
Nice.
Just send it.
So I guess we're finished up here.
Yeah, we're here.
All right, guys. Thank you again. This is Andy from Empire Vinyl.
Tucci TV, gang!
And we'll see you next time, guys.
See you next time. Word. Pull out. When in doubt, pull it out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it died.
It died.
Yeah, the music's not playing anymore.